If we take a look back at our plans, we see that there are two sides to this project. Each of those sides will come out of this sides blank workpiece that we glued up. Now, because each of these sides measure 8 inches wide by 33 inches long, we want to first size the width of each of these pieces. So as I take a look at my glued up workpiece, each edge previously was jointed, so it should be a good edge. However, because we clamped up the boards, there is a good chance that the clamps marred the surface of our edges. So prior to ripping the workpiece to width, we need to run it through the joiner to make sure that we have a good jointed edge. Additionally, because we are trying to avoid our center glue joint, we are going to have both of these sides pushed up against each of the edges. So what we can do is run each edge through the joiner one time just to clean it up. At this point, both edges have been rejointed. Both edges are true, clean, and good. And this gives us two edges that we can run up against the fence on the table saw. The plans call for each side to be a width of 8 inches. By setting the table saw to 8 1/16 inches, we can give ourselves a little bit extra material to work with. And then with our good jointed edge against the fence, we can run our sides blank through the table saw, cutting our first side. We then want to rotate our workpiece 180 degrees so our other good jointed edge is against the fence. Ripping this one at 8 1/16 will give us our second side piece. Taking a look at my sides blank and what I have cut down, I have two good, clean, jointed edges. I also have 4 mill-marked table sawed edges because that edge touched the table saw blade. My 2 side pieces are 8 1/16 inches wide. And then I have a section of material left that I can use for one of my other parts on this project. After joining my mill-marked edge on my side pieces, those side pieces will be brought down to a width of 8 inches. My 2 sides now measure a finished width of 8 inches. They are cut to an oversized length of 34 inches. And I also have a remaining piece of material that is about 5 inches by 34 inches.